Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today I'm going to teach you how to make another delicious fruit pie, the apple pie. So how do you choose your apples? Choose the ones that are firm, fresh, and has no bruise in it. There are so many kinds of apples, but for me, the best apple for apple pie is the green apple, the Granny Smith variety. The green apple is also sweet and very delicious too. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are, for the crust, we have 2 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of diluted cold milk. For the apple filling, we have 4 green apples, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. For the streusel topping, we have 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cold butter, and 1/4 cup of quick melt cheese. For my crust, I'm going to use my KitchenAid food processor because this gadget here can finely chop the butter into the flour, thereby creating small layers of cold butter into the flour, resulting in a very nice and flaky crust. Of course, you can use this flour butter dough cutter, where you can squeeze the butter and chop it until it is of pea size. But of course, I prefer to use this one because I found out that this is so perfect in making crust. Okay, let's start. We're going to add 2 and 1/2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt, and then pulse. Then add the very cold butter. There. See? Small granules of butter. Then we're going to add the lemon juice. 1/4 cup of cold milk. I'm going to test this first. See the dough come together to form into a ball. We're going to dust the table with flour and then put this here, and then we're going to fold this, press it, fold it while pressing it. You can see layers. See? You can see layers of crust. Then form this into a ball and cut into 2. Then wrap. Then I'm going to put this inside the wrap to chill the butter and to relax the gluten so we can roll it easily. To cut the apples, you can use this gadget. And it's like that. And then we're going to peel this apple and chop into thinly sliced pieces. Slice the apples thinly. For my apple filling, I discovered that it is better to cook my apples just like what I did to my buko pie. so the apples are soft and tender and more delicious. Add the brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon. Cook this for a few minutes until the apple is soft and tender. Add the butter and the cornstarch. We're going to let this cool before we put into our pie crust. For the streusel topping, flour, then cold butter, set aside, and then we're going to use this later. Now we're going to roll our crust. First, dust with flour. Trim the edges. Then measure around 3/4 inch cake tray. We're going to cut. Okay. We're going to add the filling. Then add the streusel topping. So that we can lock in the freshness of the apples so it won't dry out. We're going to put this streusel topping, and it's so yummy too. And then add the grated cheese, quick melt cheese there. Then we can decorate. Then we can trim the edges and tuck it in. There. Then we will brush with egg. So that it will have golden brown color and a little shine. Now, my apple pie is out of the oven, baked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes to bake the crust, and then 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Now, we're going to let this cool first for at least 2 hours before we slice. There you have it, my apple pie. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!